Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Let's start with the computer class. Students, we are finished lesson number 1. Let's start lesson number 2, handling the mouse and keyboard. You know students, what we did in lesson number 1? We did about what is computer, what are the various features of computer, and how computer is useful in a day-to-day life, in the banking, at home, in business, in schools, for the teacher, how is helpful. Now in this lesson, what is the name of the lesson? Yes, the name of the lesson is handling the mouse and keyboard. Now students, in this lesson, we study very important parts of a computer, which is mouse and keyboard. Let's start. Jeannie forgot to mention one of the main parts of a computer. It is also called a pointing device. We can give input to the computer with the help of this device. Can you remember the name of the device? Students, can you tell which device is used as a pointing device? Yes, it is a mouse of the computer. With the help of this, we give input to the computer. Yes, now I remember all the parts of a computer. In this lesson, we will learn different mouse actions and the keyboard and its keys. Mouse is attached to the computer. Do you know students why it is called a mouse? Yes, it looks like a real mouse with a long tail. It moves quickly on the screen. The mouse is an input device. It is also known as a pointing device. It is used to point out or towards the items present on the computer screen. A mouse is used to select and open programs using the pointer. Mouse pointer. The slant arrow on the screen is called mouse pointer. When we move the mouse around, the arrow on the screen also moves around. When you move the mouse on the mousepad in any direction, the mouse pointer also moves in the same direction on the screen. Mouse pad. The pad on which we place the mouse and move it is known as the mouse pad. The mouse is usually kept on the mouse pad. It keeps the mouse free from dust and makes it easier to use. Parts of a mouse. A mouse has two buttons on the top. Left button. The button on the left hand side is called the left button. Right button. The button on the right hand side is called the right button. Scroll wheel. A scroll wheel is present in between these two buttons. It helps us move the cursor in any direction on the monitor. Mouse is small in size and has a wire-like tail which is attached to the CPU box. Wireless mouse. Nowadays, wireless mouses are also available. Wireless mouse is also latest trend in the market. It has no wire to connect to the computer. It has a sensor connected to the computer which receive wireless signals. You can sit away from the computer, operate it using the wireless mouse. Now we will learn mouse actions. Pressing one of the mouse buttons is called a click. Clicking the mouse is a very important activity. You must learn to click the mouse properly. Clicking these buttons tells the computer what to do. These are called actions. There are different types of mouse actions. Left button action. Left click. To left click, gently press and release the left mouse buttons once. It is used to select an icon and give commands to the computer. Double click. Double click means to quickly press the left mouse button twice. This is used to open a document or program. Next action is drag. To move an item or object by holding the left mouse button to a new place on the screen is called dragging. Now we learn right button action. Right click. To right click, gently press and release the right mouse button once. It generally displays a list of commands called as right click menu or pop-up menu. Next, scroll wheel. Next action is scroll. We can move a page up and down by moving the scroll wheel. Now we will learn hard words of this lesson. Click. Click. Pressing the mouse button to perform a task. Next is drag. Drag. The action of selecting an object or icon and dropping it in an alternate area using the mouse. Next is pointer. Pointer. It is a symbol on the computer screen. It points out the movement of the pointing device. Next is scroll. Scroll. The action of moving pages up and down. In this video, we learn many things about mouse. We learn about mouse, mouse pointer, mouse pad, parts of mouse, left button, right button, scroll wheel, wireless mouse, mouse actions, left button actions, left click, double click, drag, right button action, right click, scroll wheel, scroll. Next lecture we will learn about keyboard. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Thank you.